Brian here from quantlabs.net. Here we are at cointracking.info. I think we can be safe to say that we've broken through that double your money, including these pullbacks here, a couple of them. So here, if you're new, we started out with 19. Let me just blow this up. So again, this is on cointracking.info. So here at this low point, 1940, what's that, 1945 coin holding, and today, again, that's on October 10th, I believe. Right here, yeah, October 10th. So today, all the way up to 3,900, and today is the 28th. So it took 18 days to literally pretty close, or maybe breach through doubling your money in 18 days. Okay, so essentially what I'm saying though is that even though we've done some trading here, we haven't been as aggressive as we like. These last pullbacks have really obviously shortened that timeline, or delayed the timeline, but it still just shows that this March is going to continue to go up. So essentially, with what I've got coming up on the 1st of March, what we've got here is pretty interesting over at the Quant Lab shop. So we have our, let me just get over the products, it always helps. Remember, Monday, November 1st, all this will disappear. There's going to be a focus now on longer subscriptions. Here's the Quant Analytics annual. So when I say annual, that will be reduced to 4 months. That's going to come, as I said, effective the next day, November 2nd, I believe. $9.97 for a full year. Okay, that's 12 months. So come Tuesday, the day after November 1st, the first day of our course to learn how to trade crypto, it will go down to from 12 months to 4 months. So it's literally a 3-time price increase. As I said, with this type of track record, and then it goes all the way back to about 2 years. I'm hearing people are bragging about a year and a half. Here's our track record, as you can see here. Started with a couple $100, quite literally, 270 all the way up to 8,000. Along here, we've been pretty well just pussyfooting around with the Python, but with the MotveWave that we launched around the 10th, that's what makes the difference. Getting all the order and execution done on MotveWave. That's why we're getting the rebound now as well. So again, after Tuesday, this will be going back up, or be cut back from 12 months to 4 months, $9.97. So in there, starting Monday, the 1st of November, we'll be learning about the the crypto course. That will be for 4 weeks. If you want to learn about the programming and robot building somewhat in the last week at the end of November, but the first 3 weeks are where we're going to start focusing on not just crypto trading, but how to reduce tax, what you need to be aware of on the economic side, as well as the technical indicators to get you the numbers I've shown before right here, these numbers right here that help drive that price increase. So we'll leave it at that. And again, this will change Monday, November 1st. So that is just in a couple of days now as we approach it after Halloween on Monday, November 1st, 2021. Okay, we'll talk to you later. And again, I'll put the link in where to go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.